for today's lecture is skill development. Since the old times, we knew that the importance of skill development and how much important it plays in an individual life. Whether it comes to soft skills or whether it comes to the hardcore skills, skills are something which nourishes the personality of an individual. Talking about the government sectors, as we have used to see that how soft skills has plays a vital role when it comes to the government sector, when it comes to the defense officers, or when it comes to the any sector which is required. When it comes to the private sectors, a lot many soft skills plus hard skills are required in order to see the technician behind the things. When it comes to the electrical things, when it comes to the mechanical skills, a lot of colleges and universities are focusing on skill developments in order to bring the nation up. How these skill developments in an individual will be building India, that an individual is a youth is the responsibility and is the future of the country. When it comes to the foreign investments also, they see that how much of skill development sets when it comes to the MySQL or talking about the Excel sheets, talking about the coding, mechanical, electrical. A lot of skill developments which come under the hard skills are very, very important and plays a vital role in order to bring the MSMEs and the corporate companies upwards. Talking about that how we can as an in our education policies, we have followed the new education policies implemented last year only, that how the 6th graders is also learning and they are getting to know that which sector particularly they are talking about and they want to build their future. So a 6th grader knows, understands the coding, the languages and the Python skills, talking about C++, everything. They are now getting focused that how they can improve day by day. Talking about that how we can do it in the universities, a lot of entrances examinations like CUET, JEE, JEE, Mains, Advanced, CAT examinations are taking place in order to see that what are the eligible students and how government is also focusing on these students in order to develop their hardcore skills. A lot of students are also in India are focusing that how they can get their education done from foreign countries, which sometimes cost lesser than that of our country. This not might only build the GNP in country, but also when they are coming back to the country, it will also boost up the GDP of the country, as they'll be focusing on being more productive towards the country. Moving ahead, how that an individual can build at their level of skill sets when it comes to. So again, I have divided my topic in the hard skills and the soft skills. When it comes to the soft skills, a lot of mentorships are there, online platforms are there. Teachers are the best sources which a student can take the knowledge from. But when it comes to the soft skills, a lot of again Udemy projects are there. There are YouTube platforms and such things are there in order to upskills their skills. So skill development is something that earlier times when the skills are not very much focused and people are more focused about gathering the knowledge and implementing it. Now it is the country which is, since we are focusing more about the self-reliant country, we are focusing that how the skill can be developed and can be implemented to betterize the country. Thank you.